Hi guys! Papunta kami ngayon sa event and I'm excited to accept the award for Great Life for an act of heroism. Diba? Medyo nakakaalangan pa nga sabihin na bayani pero ngayon mas nabigyan kami ng dahilan para lalong pagbutihan ng Great Life. Asiya!
We give the utmost recognition sa lahat ng mga disturbing at mga taong tunay na naglilingkod at bayani sa iba't ibang departamento kung saan sila nagtatrabaho. Sila po yung mga nabibigyan ng due recognition based on their accomplishment. This is nationwide. We have who came from other regions. Mayroon po tayong mga from Mindanao, Region 4A, Region 3, Region 1. Sa amin pong mga nagagawang ito, nawa ay magsilbing inspirasyon sa pagiging dedicated, committed public servant sa lahat po ng anumang sektor ng ating pong lipunan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most outstanding entrepreneur with exceptional contribution in the field of health, beauty and wellness. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Life International Corporation President, Ms. Raquel Escaldon Buensuceso. Congratulations, ma'am.
From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. You know, tonight, I stand here truly honored and deeply humbled. Just looking at the faces of my fellow awardees, each with their own incredible stories of resilience, sacrifices, and unwavering dedication to the Filipino people. Para mapahanay ako sa inyo, mga katulad po ninyo, ay malaking karangalan para sa akin. Honestly, nung sinabihan po ako that I will be accepting an award for Great Life for an act of heroism, medyo nag-aalangan pa nga po ako nung una. Kasi sa totoo lang, kayo po ang mga tunay na bayani. These are the real heroes. The ones who run towards danger when others run away. The ones who dedicate their lives serving other people, often without recognition or reward. Kaya malaking bagay itong award-giving body na to. Palakpakan natin dahil nabibigyan po kayo ng pansin sa malaking kontribusyon na ibinibigay niyo po sa komunidad. Well, kami po sa Great Life, our work at Great Life, it's different. I mean, we build businesses, we create opportunities, we develop beautiful quality, plant-based products, and we strive to empower people economically. Well, kumpara po sa inyong selfless act of courage and compassion, I feel that our contribution is just very small. Pero kung babalikan po natin kung bakit po nagsimula ang Great Life, we believe that economic empowerment ay maaari din namang sabihin na isang act of heroism. We believe that by providing people with the tools to build better lives for themselves and for the people that they love is also a way of serving the community. We believe also that by creating a company built on integrity, compassion, and a genuine desire to uplift other people's lives is somehow our way of contribution for the greater good. Kaya ito pong award na natanggap ko ay hindi lamang po para sa akin. Ito po ay inaalay ko po sa buong pamilya ng Great Life. Para po sa mga distributors ng Great Life, sa mga empleyado po namin, sa iba't ibang partners namin, anyone who believes on our mission that creating a positive impact on the lives of every Filipinos is really very good. You know, this award also validates that business can be a force for good. It inspires us to work even harder, to go even further, and to touch even more lives. But you know, more than anything, ito pong award na to is also a call to action, sir. Ito po ay isang paalala sa amin na marami pang kailangan gawin at marami pa pong kailangang tuparin. There are so many Filipinos who need our help, so many communities that need our support. And I promise you, hindi po kami titigil. At lalo po namin pagbubutihan ang aming serbisyo, pag-develop ng mga magagandang produkto na magagamit po ng komunidad, and we will continue creating opportunities. Makapagbigay po ng maraming oportunidad, inspirasyon at pag-asa sa maraming Pilipino na gusto rin pong matupad ang kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay. We are committed to give back, to at least build better, stronger, and more prosperous Philippines. Because, you know, that to me is the true meaning of being a heroic Filipino. It is not about the grand gestures, but it's all about working together. Doing what we can, kahit yung maliliit lang po na bagay na contribution natin, para makatulong din po tayo sa pag-angat ng kapwa nating Pilipino and to build a better and brighter future to all. So again, thank you for this award. Thank you for this incredible honor, sir. And mabuhay po tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, at mabuhay po ang tunay na mga bayani ng ating bayan. Thank you so much.
A round of applause, everyone, for Madam President Raquel Espaltuan, Best Successor of Great Life. Again.